Hi there. What I have today is an MB lock. It is a local company and, to be honest, not a very good one. This is a new lock, but it's not anti-snap. I do not even think it has security pins. I think it's all standard. And this lock was given to me by East Cleveland Lock and Key. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna attempt to pick it for you. Did I show you the button? I think I did, but there you go. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Got a little click out of 3. Nothing on 4. Click out of 5. Click out of 6. So come back to 1. Nothing on 1. Got a click out of 2. Click out of 3. So back to 1, because I think 1's the only one left. And there you have it. Just as simple as that. So no security pins. I just hate when it does that. No security pins in the lock, and pretty simple. So if you were just starting out picking, I would suggest getting this type of lock. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.